Okay, y'all, not sure what's going on with the USB card. What are these called? Disc. My sand disc. It's cut me off twice, looking like it has something to do with the disc, so it isn't fixing to go bad, and we actually have the other two, whatever. One's going to be a shorty, but anyway. So what I was in the middle of showing you was the Rare Beauty mascara. It's this pretty kind of matte nude color, or yeah. And so let's just see. Let's see what it looks like, because I'll do a tutorial with this when I do my eye makeup today for you. It's a good brush. It's a spoolie brush. It's not a comb brush, but it's got a lot of layers to it, so that should be good. I don't know. Okay, and then what was the other thing? Oh, the last thing that I wanted to show you was my little freebie, which I really love getting this, because every time that I've got enough points and I get a freebie, this is the freebie I get, because these are the glass straws. There's one clear and one pink, and then the cleaner, you know, to clean, and you put them in soapy, sudsy water, and then you can use this little spoolie brush to clean them. But they're really pretty. They're reusable, so they're environmentally responsible, which is very important. And they also come, what I like about this is they come with this little case that you can keep in your purse. So that, like, if you go to a restaurant, you can pull one of these suckers out. Isn't that pretty? It's just a pink glass. And I mean, it's glass. There's also the stainless steel ones that you can get. Hear that? It's glass, so yeah, you gotta be careful with it. There we go. And then that. So literally you can put that in there. Whoops. And you run it through and just kind of clean it out. It's got a little end that makes it easy to go in and out. You just clean it like that. Pull it out. So it's a good little set to have. And the fact that they give you this cute little Sephora Beauty Insider is what they call you when you've done this. And it's just a little... You know what? I wouldn't take that out with me, because you're not going to clean it while you're out. But you could take a straw or two. And then if somebody likes it so much, you can give them the other straw and say, if you really love it, you can have it. I'll get more. I'm a Sephora Insider. Okay, you know what? I think I'm going to go ahead and go with my tutorial. What do you think about that? I think it's time, because I need to get my makeup on. Alright, so we're going to be using the Christmas Coffee that I just showed you, the Christmas Coffee palette, and I'm going to use the lightest color, obviously under my brow in the inner corner, so we'll just use this. Okay, there we go. Just get a nice white. And the same thing in the inner corner, and I'm going to dust over the lid. Inner corner and over the lid. And you can do back out here and right here, just to kind of get a brightness around your eye. Right under the brow, because you're going to end up layering over this, so it won't be this bright, so everybody just calm down. And then just kind of right there, so it's nice and bright behind. And then your inner corner and across the lid. Some people even like to use their lighter color and just go all the way across, which you can. Just go ahead and dust off, and kind of almost like a primer for the rest of your look. Okay, now I'm going to use a Sigma large fluffy brush E50. Tap that out. There's some, not fallout I would say, but I'm going to go to this next color, which is kind of like a bit of a buff color, and it's called Beautiful. To me, it looks like a creamy color. I do like this. It's got a mirror. This almost has an undertone of either blue or green, if you ask me. Everything has orange. Look how orange that is. That is not what it looks like in the pan. Every color in here is orange. And it doesn't really, it's not a good transition color at all. Alright, well, I'm going to have to make them even. So, I'm going to try something else. That is not even good as skin color, but it's orangey toned. I don't like it. I know the other one's going to be even worse, but we'll try it. Well, you know, often the color in the pan is not what it comes out to. Even more orange. And just look. There's not much difference in this eye and this eye. I've done it twice now. Just trying to get my background. You're just getting the canvas now, y'all. I still don't think that's very good. What if I go with this pink? Ooh, that's going to be too dark. But we'll try it. Huh. It's not dark at all. I feel like this is very poor pigmentation, y'all. And the coloring is all orange based. So if you don't like that, which I hate it when it's orange based, that does not even look good. And can I tell you, it's not holding onto my skin. Look right there where there's a space where it didn't even catch. Why in the world is it doing that? That's not good coverage at all. Yeah, this is going back. And you can do that. You can take it back. And I'm going to try it. I'm going to try it. Before I take it back, I really do try to use it up. Use it in the way you're supposed to. Where's my, hello? Crease brush, where are you? That's a blending brush, but we'll use it. Hold on, we're going to get what's on there off. Because we're going to use this brown. And into the crease with the brown. Well, at least the brown's brown. It's a cool brown. So that's actually good. That helped. Gosh, my eye. That looks terrible. It truly looks terrible. Alright, hold on. That is really not good at all. Gosh, I really feel like that looks terrible, y'all. Okay. Let me try blending this out a little bit. What do we got here? Where's the blender? Where's the blender? Come here, blender. And let's just see if I can get that to blend nicely. Maybe it's just going to look bad going on, but it'll blend really well. You think? That looks bad too. Let's just try to blend this out a little bit. Back spin it a little. Just back and forth. Looks terrible. Looks terrible. I mean terrible. Wow, I can't even get that off. Not a good look. Not a fan, y'all. Not a fan. Alright, let's try to use the this under eye color first. We'll go through the lashes. Okay. Just so that we don't have a nasty looking This is just putting a cool brown in the lashes. Y'all, I think this looks awful. I can't remember a time I didn't like my makeup more. But I am going to try each color. Sephora will let you return it if you're not happy with the performance of the product. And I can say right now, I'm going to go ahead and try this bluish green. It may be the saving grace of the palette. Is it worth keeping the palette for? No, not at 50 bucks a palette. But we'll try it. So I'm going to go the inner just to have a pretty foresty green. Not foresty green, like an aqua green. But I've got that in my shirt today, so that might be pretty. There is no coverage. Come on. Come on now. This is getting silly. You're being silly. I don't know if y'all can see. This is horrible. Like I'm barely touching it, and look at all it's kicking up. Yeah, this is not good. This is not good at all. But I've got to finish my eyes, so we're going to add that green in there. Will it even catch is the question to my skin. That's the end look, and I think it looks awful. I feel like this is one of the worst looks I've ever done. What do y'all think? And be honest, because don't ever just say, "Oh, Beth, you're beautiful." I mean, sometimes y'all say that, and it is very nice. But, I mean, be honest what you think of the product. Oh, wow. There, a chunk just came off. I'm going to have to definitely add over here to blend with that. I mean, that's a pretty Christmas green, but it's just not worth it to keep this whole palette. Plus, I can tell this is going to use up so fast because it's almost like to pan from touching it. That's ridiculous. Oh my goodness, my goodness. Yeah, that's pretty bad. It's really bad, to be honest. It's gonna have to go back. Yeah. They're both Too Faced. And I was telling you, I wasn't crazy about the brand anyway, so oh well. Well, y'all, I'm not even sure how in the world to blend this out, and I know how to blend makeup, but this is going to be an issue because of the color. And look at the fallout on my face. Oh my goodness. All right. First of all, we got to get rid of that. Using a dual fiber brush to do that.